Hello, everyone, and welcome to Small Talk Podcast, where we learn English together and have fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Robert here. It's wonderful to be with you today.
Robert, I'm so excited for today's topic. It's very important.
I agree, Emily. Before we start, everyone please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, click the like button and please share our podcast with your friends and family. It helps us so much.
Thank you all for your support. Now, what is our topic today?
Today, we will talk about something many people worry about: how to ask for more money at work.
A very important topic. Many people need this information.
It's true. Some people work very hard but never ask for more money.
They are afraid to ask. It's a difficult conversation.
Exactly. But today, we will make it easy and not so scary. We will learn how to do it.
That sounds perfect, Emily. So, where do we begin?
Let's start with a question. Robert, do you work?
Yes, I do. I work in an office. I'm a manager.
A manager. That's a good job. How long have you worked there?
I've worked there for 5 years now.
5 years. That's a long time. Have you ever asked for more money?
Yes, I have. 3 times, actually.
3 times. And did you get the money?
2 times, yes, and 1 time, no. But I learned from each time.
That's great. So you have experience. Can you share what you learned?
Of course, I would be happy to help everyone.
Wonderful. So the first step is to prepare. What does prepare mean?
Prepare means to get ready, to plan before you do something.
Yes, exactly. So before you ask for more money, you must prepare.
That's right. You need to think about why you want more money.
Good point. Why might someone want more money?
Maybe they work harder now. Maybe they have new skills.
Right. Or maybe they took more responsibility.
Exactly. Or maybe other jobs pay more for the same work.
So you need reasons, strong reasons. Write them down.
Yes. Write your reasons on paper. Make a list.
Good idea. For example, you could write, I do more work now.
Or you could write, I learned new computer skills.
Great examples. You could also write, I help new workers learn their jobs.
All of these are good reasons. When you have your list, read it many times.
Why is that important?
Because when you feel nervous, you will remember your reasons.
Smart thinking. The second step is timing. What is timing?
Timing is when you ask. It's very important.
Yes. When is a good time to ask?
You should ask after you do something great at work.
Oh, like after you finish a big project?
Perfect. Or after you help solve a big problem.
That makes sense. The boss is happy, the timing is good.
Exactly right. But there are bad times to ask.
What are bad times?
Don't ask when the company is losing money.
Good advice. What else is a bad time?
Don't ask during busy time when everyone is stressed.
That makes sense. The boss is too busy.
Yes, and don't ask in front of other workers.
Why is that important?
Because it can make the boss feel uncomfortable.
I see. So you should ask privately, just you and the boss.
Absolutely. In their office is best.
The third step is to make an appointment. What does that mean?
It means you ask for a special meeting time.
Why not just ask right away?
Because your boss needs time to prepare too.
Oh, I understand. How do you make an appointment?
You can say, can we have a meeting next week?
What else could you say?
You could say, I would like to talk about my salary.
Good. Salary means the money you get paid.
Right. Another way is, do you have time to discuss my pay?
Pay also means money, so you're asking for a meeting.
Yes. Usually, the boss will say yes.
Step 4 is very important. You must be confident.
What does confident mean?
Confident means you believe in yourself. You feel sure.
How you show confidence?
Sit up straight, look at the boss in the eyes.
That's good advice. What else?
Speak slowly and clearly, not too fast.
Don't be nervous in your voice.
Right. Use a calm voice. Smile a little.
These things show you are serious but friendly.
Step 5 is to explain your reasons clearly.
How do you do this?
Remember your list of reasons? Use them now.
Say them one by one. Give examples.
For example, this year I trained 5 new workers.
Good example. What else?
I completed the website project 2 weeks early.
These are specific examples, not just words.
Exactly. Specific examples are stronger.
You could also say, I take on extra responsibility.
Step 6 is to ask a clear question.
What kind of question?
You should say, can you increase my salary by 5%?
That's very specific. A number is important.
Right. Research what jobs like yours pay first.
Then you know what to ask for.
You could ask, what percentage raise can you give me?
A percentage is part of something.
Yes, 5% means 5 out of 100.
So if you make $1,000, 5% is $50.
Exactly. Step 7 is to listen.
Why is listening important?
Because the boss will give you an answer.
They might say yes right away.
Or they might say they need time to think.
That's okay too. It's not a no.
The boss might ask questions. Answer them honestly.
Don't get angry if the answer is no.
Right. Ask when you can try again.
Say, when can we talk about this again?
Now, let me ask you something important.
Of course, what is it?
When you got your raise, how did you feel?
I felt so proud and confident for the next time.
What about when they said no?
That was harder, but I didn't give up.
What did you do?
I asked why. I learned what I needed to do.
Smart. So the next time you tried again.
Yes, and I got the raise the next year.
So don't stop asking. Keep trying.
Never stop believing in yourself.
You deserve to be paid fairly.
That's the most important thing.
Let's make a summary. What did we learn today?
We learned 7 steps to ask for money.
First, you prepare. You write your reasons.
Second, you think about timing. When is the best time?
Third, you make an appointment. You ask for a meeting.
Fourth, you are confident. You believe in yourself.
Fifth, you explain your reasons with examples.
Sixth, you ask a clear question with a number.
And seventh, you listen to the answer.
Remember, this conversation is not scary.
It's a normal business conversation.
Your boss expects this conversation.
Everyone asks for more money sometimes.
You work hard. You deserve more money.
Before we finish, we have a question for you.
Yes, please tell us in the comments section below.
Have you ever asked for more money at work?
Or, what job do you want in the future?
Write 1 or 2 sentences. We want to read your comments.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, click like, share with your friends.
It helps us make more episodes for you.
Thank you so much for listening today.
It was a pleasure to be here with you, Emily.
We will be back very soon with another interesting topic.
Keep practicing your English every day.
Be confident, speak clearly, have fun learning.
Thank you all for listening to Small Talk Podcast.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye. Keep learning, keep growing.